Kuala Porta Negra entry, Germany. Ayan guys, andito tayo sa Germany, Trier, Germany. Ayan, ayan po. Sobrang ganda. So ayan guys, bisita tayo ng day tour lang kasi dumaan lang kami tapos doon na kami lampas matutulog sa hotel bago makarating sa France. Mga 1,500 kilometers pa from here siguro. Malayo pa, so mga 2 nights pa matutulog kami. First matulog kami sa Luxembourg, and then ang next hotel namin ay after Luxembourg na malapit sa Alsace-Lorraine. Ayan guys, so I hope you enjoy watching itong short video. Isang day tour lang yan, tapos maya maya aalis na kami, drive again sa road pauwi na ng France. I hope you enjoy guys. Thank you for watching. Ciao ciao. The Porta Negra, Latin for Black Gate, referred to by a local as Porta, is a large Roman city gate in Trier, Germany. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The name Porta Negra originated in the Middle Ages due to the darkened color of its stone. The original Roman name has not been preserved.